Hey y'all, my name's Gabe and this is Gabe's Goals. I hope you enjoy this channel. It's where I try new things, learn new skills, and then teach you what I learned in the process. 1, 2, 3, intro. Let's hit it right now. Wow. Okay, welcome back. It is a very gloomy day out, like I'm talking seriously, quite gloomy. But on YouTube, it is the opposite. I posted the very first half of the skit that I filmed with Ava, like literally an hour and a half ago max. And I said, let's wait till it gets 30 views and then I'll post the next one. So I'm like, that's safe. I know it'll get that within the next week or so, but I don't think it'll get it right away. It's been like an hour and a half. We're already there. It's like ridiculous. Y'all are amazing. You guys are watching the video way faster than I thought you would. Half of that giggles is me really excited. Half of that giggles is me shivering. Anyways, today, you guys probably know the drill. If you haven't seen my first video, I will try and link in the description. If it's not there, then just because I forgot, then definitely go to my channel. You guys know how to get there. It's there. It's where I said, you know, can I film a skit? Whatever. This is the second half where you finally figure out what happened to Hunter. Let's hop into it right now.
Hunter! Hunter! Yeah. Allison, it's just his body pillow! What? Hunter. Hunter. Where did you go? Hunter. I don't know where he went. Alright, I'm gonna go get the keys and go get the car and go look for him, okay? You stay home, pray, and hope he comes back. Let me know if he comes back, okay?
Okay, I'll call you.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Hunter, where were you?
Did you get my note?
No.
I was down at the park during school.
Oh my gosh, you scared me. I thought you were dead.
I sent you a note though.
Oh my
You should sit in
gosh. Praise the Lord, you're alive. Don't do that ever again. At least bring your phone.
I didn't mean to. I left you a note though. Oh man, I gotta get up. Above all, love each other there deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. person could be more important than another. Therefore, they would not share.
All right, hey y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Basically, the point was Hunter went about his day. He did everything great, but somehow still his mom happened to see things kind of in the wrong order, wrong place, wrong time, wrong order, wrong perspective, wrong angle. Happened to have all the stars aligned to make her think that Hunter was gone, as Vienne said, even dead. But in reality, he was just being one of your, like, picture perfect kids. So, oh, it is freezing. I'm gonna keep this quick. I don't know why I stepped outside, just because it's quiet out here. But hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And I think that was all. I don't know. I might do like a behind the scenes video or something. You guys will be able to see some of the things that were messed up. And you might have noticed some things that were unrealistic. That's just because we didn't have that much time. The goal was just to make a cool story. So let's just roll with it. And other than that, hope you guys have an amazing day. There'll be subscribed, some other videos. Definitely check those out. And thanks for supporting me and joining the fam. Okay, talk to you later.